In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Zoho Mail, incorporating the BCC feature. Zoho Mail is a user-friendly platform, and today I'll guide you step by step through the process of composing and sending an email with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Zoho Mail account by visiting the website at mail.zoho.com. Once you're on the page, enter your login credentials to access your mailbox. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Zoho Mail interface, which is where you can view your inbox and other folders. Now, let's create a new email. Look towards the top corner of your screen, either on the left or right depending on your setup, and you'll see a button labeled Plus New Mail. Go ahead and click on that button. This action will bring up the Compose window where you'll draft your message. In this Compose window, you'll immediately notice fields for To and CC, where you can begin entering the email addresses of your primary recipients. However, if you also need to use the BCC feature, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and is useful for sending an email to multiple recipients without sharing their addresses with each other, there's a simple way to access it. Just to the right of the To field, you'll find a button labeled CC BCC. Give that a click, and voila, a BCC field will appear just below. With the BCC field now visible, go ahead and type in the email addresses of those you wish to blind copy. This is particularly handy when sending out newsletters or group emails to protect the privacy of your contacts. Make sure to double-check the addresses you've entered to avoid any typos that could result in undeliverable messages. Next, it's time to fill in the subject of your email. This is the line your recipients will see before even opening your email, so make it descriptive and on point. After entering the subject, move on to the body of your email where you'll type out your message. Keep your message clear and concise. Also, remember that you can format your text or add attachments if needed to enhance your correspondence. Once you're satisfied with your email, review it one last time to check for any errors or missing elements. If everything looks good, the final step is to click the Send button. Congratulations, you've just sent an email using Zoho Mail with the BCC field included, ensuring that your message is delivered to all intended recipients discreetly. That wraps up our tutorial for today. We've walked through logging into Zoho Mail, composing a new email, utilizing the BCC feature, and sending the email. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.